Dear students, in this video, we can study about velocity-time relation. So that is the equation connecting initial velocity u, final velocity v, acceleration a, and t, time t. So what is that velocity-time relation? Equation connecting velocity. These are the velocities and this one time. So equation connecting velocity and time is called velocity time relation. Clear? So here we have a velocity time graph for uniform motion, a body executing uniform motion. So here we have a velocity time graph for that particular motion. So here on x-axis it is time and y-axis it is velocity. So we studied for uniform motion, the velocity time graph will be a straight line like this. Here u refers, here u is the initial velocity of the body, v is the final velocity of the body. So what is u? U is the initial velocity of the body and v is the final velocity of the body. So this is about the velocity time graph. From this graph, we can derive velocity time relation. Okay, so from velocity time graph, how we can calculate acceleration? That concept we studied in last section. Previous class, we discussed about that point, how we can calculate acceleration from velocity time relation. So acceleration equal to, how we can calculate acceleration? Acceleration is equal to the BC, the side BC, that is BC, this side, okay, divided by AC, BC divided by AC. And from this graph, how we can calculate BC? Okay, BC means the entire side, that is BD. Okay, what is BC? The entire side minus CD. Clear? BC can be represented by BD minus CD, all divided by, here AC and OD are parallel. Clear? AC, the side AC, this side AC and OD are parallel side. So AC can be replaced by OD. So acceleration is equal to BC divided by AC equal to BD minus CD, because BC equal to BD minus CD, and what is AC? AC equal to OD. Both are parallel side. So A equal to, what is BD? Here BD means this height, this much height. So BD, you can measure this V. Okay, what is BD? It is V. So BD can be replaced by V minus, what is CD? CD means this much height. CD, this height. So CD is equal to what? U. Here it is U. This is U. Okay. So CD can be replaced by with U divided by OD. What is OD? This is time axis, and OD, this is T. Okay, this is time T. So OD can be replaced with T. So our equation becomes A is equal to V minus U divided by T. Then we can take T to left side, this side. So the division becomes multiplication. So it is A into T is equal to V minus U. Clear? So what is V? Okay, to calculate V, take minus U to this side. So what is V? V is equal to U plus AT. And this equation is called velocity time relation, or first equation of motion. So this is called velocity time relation. Velocity time relation, or it is called first equation of motion. First equation of motion. So here V stand for, what is V? V is the final velocity of the body, final velocity of the body, and U is the initial velocity, U is the initial velocity, and A is the acceleration of the body, A is the acceleration of the body, and T is the time. Okay, so the equation V equal to U plus AT is called velocity time relation. So thank you, students.